Hi there. So in this video, I'll be sharing how to use free text-to-speech converter. If you want to use real human voice text-to-speech converter, then you need to search Neura Voice, NURAVOICE. Just search, or you can simply write neuravoice.com and open this site. Alright, so now we are on the screen, and here I'll show you what are the different voices you can use with this tool. So first, here is a language, and it is important to select one language. So here you can select English language and English UK, any language you can select. So first, it will take some time in your case, because wait for like 30 seconds, 15 seconds, and then you can select the voice. For example, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna choose MLA. Alright, so MLA I have selected, so and I'm gonna copy this text from here. Let me copy it and paste it. And yeah, and you can adjust the pitch, high, low, and you can test and pitch, select the pitch accordingly. Make sure I have set the limit to 800 words per day. So you can check accordingly. So here you can adjust the speed and just click on confirm the captcha and select the vehicles, crosswalks, and now click on convert. It will take its time to convert, and now I'm gonna show you the voices it is gonna generate. So let this gonna all right. So this is a free, and always going to be free. We are not going to add any subscription charges.
Text-to-speech conversion is a web application that converts the text you write into a voice for you to hear. This software can help users with disabilities or limited mobility
Alright, so as you heard, look at the voice, it's so natural. And if I select different language, the English, this tool will speak, it will be very natural, and you can use it for marketing videos, for your YouTube videos. No one could tell the difference that this is a AI generated voice. It's hard to differentiate between the real voice and this voice generated. We have used premium subscription to get you this voice. So you can simply download, you can change the playback speed, and you can download this audio by clicking this download button, and you can use it on your YouTube videos and anywhere you like. So you can visit the neuravoice.com, and you can test different languages and select different voice pitches. You can choose different voices, and let me know if you found any issue. This is still a new tool, and we are actively working on improving this tool. I will need all of your help to improve the quality of this tool. You can contact me. I will add contact us button here. Currently we don't have any, so I will add the contact us, or you can shoot me mail at manojchauhan00121gmail.com. So feel free, if you found any issue or tool is not working, we will soon add quick chat option, so where you can quickly contact us if it doesn't work anytime. So alright, make sure you share this tool with your friends so that he can benefit from this tool as well. Or see you in the next video. Till then, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.